All right, we got the concrete here. Let's get ready to get started, okay, guys? Okay, Nick, you're gonna use that mag? I've got that other board down here. Let me go get my screed board. And then those bars, the farthest one out goes on the outside, the farthest one in goes on the inside. Oops, sorry about that, sir. Did you guys get a lot of cancelizations this morning?
Nope.
I was a little worried there for a second. I was like, man, I had to work on the pad. You see, I added quite a bit of rock on this upper side. Yeah. It was solid yesterday. You couldn't have sunk on it if you wanted to.
Yeah, we started at 5 o'clock this morning.
Did you? Yeah, this is almost a two-person job. Let's get the, yeah, that's the inside piece. I'll grab one side. This is the inside. Appreciate you guys following along. Like I said, we just got the concrete poured, so that was pretty good. I'm glad my brother took off and helped me on this. So now we got to go board it down, get it all leveled off, and then we'll come back and go and float it off. So you guys stay tuned. I appreciate you guys following along this so far. Hopefully here in a couple weeks we'll get that foundation walls put up on top of these footers. Well, we got it done. It felt like I was going to die today, and I am so glad my brother came out here and helped me. There's no way I would have got this stuff done today without my brother's help. So this is awesome. We got all this on here. It was about 8 yards of concrete that we poured in these footers right here. Now, what we're going to do is get the foundation walls put up on here, you know, and it has the little dead man kickouts, and we got all that stuff. And then the next thing that we're going to be working on, that we're going to be doing some more footers. We're going to be doing the frost line footers, and but right here, when it extends out here, we're probably going to most likely, since this is solid rock, we're going to probably have to do the footers going out this way too. But I wanted to get those footers down because that's where we needed the put the foundation wall. So this is not going to have a foundation wall here. We're just going to do a mini wall that's on top of here with using the ICFs. Then we're going to use ICF all around the front edge of it as well too. So that's the plan, is to use those ICFs. We're probably just going to use 16 inches of the ICF along with whatever depth we need to get to down on the frost footers as well too. So hopefully we can get some of that more worked pretty soon. If not, it'll just come as we go, and we're not pushing it. We're not being too crazy on getting the things done as quick as we need to. But all right, well, we're going to knock this pipe out after we got the concrete poured. We're going to see if this even works. So, well, I got to hit the pipe out. It's right over there. It wasn't too bad to beat it out of there. And now we're just pulling all the foam and stuff, and now that'll give us room to put in a piece of drain sewer pipe. So appreciate you guys following along. Until next time, God bless you all.